Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So I'm going to plan today for the month of April in my B5 Hemlock and Oak, and the theme for this month I'll be using is Afternoon Treat by the Coffee Monsterz Co. So as usual, I'll just start by quickly showing you what I'm going to be using, but if you want to see the full collection, I will link the haul down below in the description, and then after that we'll get straight into setting up the April overview.
Lately, my monkey mind is turning over. All the times that knock me off my swing, the break in the chain link. Lately, I'm trying to find some kind of closure. Spinning circles at the roller rink. I could walk or skate or run, but I'm back where I came from. But then it came as a surprise, a pebble found in my pocket. Hey girl, you're good now. Don't try to stop it.
now it's time to plan. So the first thing I'm going to put in is all my HelloFresh deliveries, and I decided to use the little houses as well as 2 of the little grocery bags just to mark that. Next thing I'm going to put in using the Coffee Monsterz Co event labels is Good Friday, Easter Sunday and Easter Monday. I can't believe it's nearly Easter. I normally book the Easter week off, but I haven't booked my leave yet for this year, so I'll have to get that requested pretty soon. Anyway, yeah, so this then I'm putting in is for my niece's birthday, and I just realised I put it on the wrong day. It's the 3rd, not the 4th. Oops. I'll have to move that over. But I used a label and a little balloon, and then the next thing I'll put in is my nephew's birthday, and I got the right day, I hope. It's the 12th. Wait for it, yes. And I put a label and a balloon for it as well. Next I'm putting in another little label on the 20th along with a Hubman and Chubgirl payday script to mark payday obviously, and then after that I'm going to put in on the 22nd another little event label which is Earth Day, and then finally the last thing I need to put in is on the 25th I have a hair appointment, so I'm just going to put in a little Coffee Monsterz Co emoji that says hair appointment, and then a label underneath to write that in. And I've started taking note of the time, like straight away, writing it in my notes app, because I always agree a time, walk out, remember the date but don't remember the time. So you'll be proud of me, I've started to write it down. Anyway, moving on then to my final spread, and let's do my April review.
Walk away, my heart drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move faster now, I swear, I can feel them slip away. But some things last forever, the love that never fades. Make promises for the young and free, but you kept every word you said, and you stayed true to me. We lean into the great beyond, there's more love yet to make, 'cause some things last forever,